there, it's Kaylee. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the migration of people to the Polynesian Islands. Polynesia is typically described as the islands in the Pacific Ocean that are inside the purple triangle on this map. This is called the Polynesian Triangle. Some of these islands are very small, and you may have never heard their names before. But I'm sure that you've heard one of these ones up here. They make up the state of Hawaii. Here are what these islands look like. These are images from Cook's Bay and Oahu, Hawaii. Scientists are continuing to find new evidence and develop their theories about the Polynesian peoples. There is current evidence that suggests that these people were great explorers, and they actually migrated to inhabit these islands. That means they were originally from a different place and traveled to each of these islands to live. Scientists have used the languages spoken on the islands in the Polynesian Triangle and have found that they are similar to languages used in Southeast Asia. And they've eventually linked these languages to originating in Taiwan. This little island here is Taiwan. Most scientists agree that the original Polynesians left Taiwan and traveled through the Philippines and New Guinea before traveling farther to the islands of the Polynesian Triangle. But some may have also come from Taiwan through mainland Southeast Asia like Vietnam and Cambodia before making their way to the Polynesian Islands. Experts believe this route to be true because along with sharing common languages, many similar artifacts have been found throughout these locations. In particular, pottery has been found throughout the Polynesian Triangle as well as Southeast Asia, and they have a similar style to this here. If you look closely, you may see the intricate pattern on the side of the bowl. This pottery is from the Lapita culture and has been found in Papua New Guinea and many other Polynesian islands like Samoa and Tonga. After making their way from Taiwan through the Philippines and on to the islands, the Polynesians then traveled north to Hawaii, south to New Zealand, and west to Easter Island. These points make up the corners of the Polynesian Triangle. But those are very long distances across the Pacific Ocean. So how did the Polynesians travel? They traveled by a special type of boat called a multi-hulled canoe. Like in this image, we see two canoes attached by wood. This way, more people could travel and paddle these long distances together. They used the stars and the swell of the ocean waves and the experiences of past explorers to navigate their way to new islands. This information was then passed on to younger travelers. The Polynesians were incredible navigators and explorers. This double-hulled canoe is made by the descendants of the original Polynesian explorers that live in Hawaii. This design is inspired by their ancestors' boat designs and have led to the modern-day catamaran sailboat. While some of the building techniques and navigation tools have been lost when the Europeans colonized these islands, some have been passed down for generations. Great job learning about the migration of the Polynesian people. Practice what you've learned about these amazing sailors and navigators by playing the online games and quizzes. Have fun and remember to always be clever. Hey, hey.